solve 4x cube minus 21x minus 10 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 4x cube in place of minus 21x. Now I write minus 1x minus 20x minus 10 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 4x square minus from this x out you get 1. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 10. So here we get 2x and here we get plus 1 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here. That is 4x square minus 1 equal to 4 is 2 square x square minus 1 I write as 1 square. Now 2 square x square is 2x whole square minus 1 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 2x, in place of b 1. So we get 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. So in place of this quadratic, now I write this over here. So this equation becomes x times 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, this no change, equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times 2x minus 1, and over here we are left with minus 10 equal to 0. Now 2x plus 1. Now you open up the brackets. You get 2x square minus x minus 10 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here. That is 2x square minus x minus 10. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 1x. In place of minus 1x, now I write minus 5x plus 4x minus 10. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 2x minus from this x out you get 5. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 2x gone inside, so outside we get plus 2. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x minus 5 common. So here we have x and here plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 2x plus 1, 2x minus 5, x plus 2 equal to 0. More, here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x minus 5 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove plus 1, so subtract 1. We get 2x equal to minus 1. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here, I should remove minus 5, so add 5. You get 2x equal to 5. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 5 by 2. Now here, I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. You get x equal to minus 2. So the x values that we got are minus 1 by 2, 5 by 2 and minus 2. This is our answer.